mushrooms. I have no idea which ones are edible and which ones aren't. I researched it for a while. But as far as I got. There's a lot of neat little paths down through here. Every few feet. Probably from the water flow. That's what causes the door. But I don't think it's all just water flow though. Pretty strange, ain't it? I wish my ears weren't so stopped up. The pretty one stinks here for some reason. What was that smell? Ooh. Smells like rotten eggs. It's still here. Phew. And my head's all stopped up, but I can smell it. Phew. Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. It don't smell like sweat, it smells like rotten eggs. Well, let's go towards where the birds are making those noises. That's pretty fresh. See, that's a weird sounding squirrel, ain't it? It's chirping like a, what the hell was the name of that thing? Chipmunk. And barking like a squirrel. I hear an owl too. Now, these are a big set of woods here. There's a squirrel's nest.